Some people think that exercising is an easy and exciting process, while others find it difficult and time-consuming. This mindset depends on factors such as commitment, activities, needs, and of course, motivation. Despite being challenging, exercise is essential for the body. For one, it tones your muscles. This may not mean much for now, but as you start to gain weight, you need body strength to keep your body together. Without muscle strength, you increase your chances of injury by doing simple tasks such as running, walking, or lifting objects. Another advantage of exercise is it can boost your cardiovascular strength. When you exercise, more blood is needed by your body. This amps your heart and it pushes it to pump harder. This helps tone your heart muscle to make it stronger and more durable. There are many other benefits to exercising. It can boost your self-confidence and mood. Plus, it promotes self-love. Lazy as you are, I know these benefits are enticing, all of which you have been planning to achieve. Luckily, experts have come up with a set of exercise routines you can perform no matter how lazy you are. These exercises are easy to perform, and it doesn't take much time. You can even do these while watching the TV or listening to music, whatever helps you finish the routine. Are you ready to know what they are? Hi, welcome to Top Health. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for your regular dose of enlightening health-related content. Today, let's look into the most effortless 7-minute routines for lazy girls. Do you think you can handle it? But before we start, you need to know that this information you're about to hear is merely for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for a doctor's advice, nor is it a solution for any disease. So, before you engage in the following exercises, consult your doctor first to see if you can perform these routines. Without further ado, here's the first step. Hip kick, 15 seconds. The hip kick is one of the easiest exercise routines. Not only does it target your thighs, but also your abs and glutes. To start, line your back with your arms at your sides. Your knees should be bent at a 90-degree angle with your feet flat on the ground. Next, slowly lift your hips and lift your lower back off the mat. During this process, squeeze your butt until your body forms a diagonal line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold this position. Next, lift your left foot from the ground and straighten it. Sweep it out to the side as far as you can. Then, return your left leg to the center and place your feet back on the ground. Repeat this procedure using your right leg. Do hip kicks 15 times on each side. Cross toe touch, 20 seconds. The next exercise you can try is the cross toe touch. It targets your abs, your legs, and your arms. To perform, start by laying down on your back with your arms and legs straight out. Then, lift your right shoulder and your left leg off the floor. During this process, allow your right arm to touch your left leg. Reach as high as you can without straining your body too much. Put your arm and leg back to their original position. Next, perform the same procedure with your left arm and your right leg. There you have it! Isn't it easy to perform a cross-toe touch? If you don't want to lie down, you can do this while standing. The only difference is you'll be bending forward as you touch your left foot using your right arm and interchanging it with your other side. See, you can do it! Why don't you make it more effective by hitting that like and subscribe button? Just kidding. Go perform this exercise for 20 seconds while watching an episode of your favorite series. Cross crunch. Another exercise you can perform is the cross crunch. It primarily targets your abs and your obliques. To start, lie on your back with your knees bent. Then, cross your right leg on top of your left knee as you support your head with your left hand. Perform a crunch as you bring your left elbows towards your right knee. Do this for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Leg extensions. The next routine that can help you tone your body is the leg extension. This targets your thigh's largest muscles, including your quadriceps, rectus femoris, and the vastus muscles, to give you that full lower body workout. Don't worry, you don't need to be on a leg extension machine to perform this exercise. You can do leg extensions while sitting in a regular chair. To start, sit in the chair and plant your feet on the floor, hip-width apart. Remember to straighten your back as you get into position. Next, extend your right knee and lift your right leg. Then, put it back into the original position. Do this 10 times, then alternate with your left leg. Perform this exercise in 2 sets. Calf raise. The next exercise is by far the easiest routine of the day. All you need to do is stand straight and lift your body using your ankles. If you want some variations, you can hold some dumbbells or a kettle. Do calf raises 15 times. See, I wasn't kidding when I told you that this was the easiest exercise in the book. Even the laziest man on earth can perform it. Do you know any other people who are lazy as well? Share with them this video so you can be fit even if you're not in the mood. Lateral lunge. Also known as the side lunge, the lateral lunge is another easy exercise to amp your body muscles. To perform, start by standing tall with your feet at shoulder width apart. Make sure that your back is straight and your weight is on your heels. Next, take a big step to your left, ensuring that you keep your torso as upright as possible. During this process, lower your body until your left knee is bent at around 90 degrees. Make sure that your right leg is trailing straight. Next, push back up and return to the starting position. Repeat this procedure using your right leg. Do side lunges 10 times for each side. Static lunge. This next exercise will help you tone your glutes and leg muscles. It's another simple procedure to perform even if you're lazy or you're on a busy schedule. To perform, start by standing straight. During this process, make sure that your shoulders are stacked over your hips and your core should be engaged. Next, step your right foot forward. Lengthen your stance so that when you lower your body, your knees should be bent at 90 degrees. To prevent injury, track your front knee over your ankle to protect your joints. Lunge as low as you can while maintaining the proper form. Using your left leg, push off your body and go back to the starting position, keeping your feet shoulder width apart. Repeat this procedure by bringing your left leg forward. Do this procedure 10 times. Squat. The last but not least exercise routine you can try is the squat. This is one of the most basic and common procedures to tone your legs and glutes, not to mention your abdominal muscles. To perform the basic squat, start by standing straight with your feet positioned slightly wider than hip width. During this process, keep your chest up and engage your abs so that your weight will shift onto your knees. Then, lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. You should feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. Hold this position for a while with your knees over but not beyond your toes. Then, exhale and push back to the starting position. Do this exercise 15 times. There you have it. Seeing how easy these exercises are, you can perform them anywhere and anytime. With commitment, I'm sure you'll achieve that fit and healthy body in no time. Have any of you tried this routine yet? If so, let us know in the comments below. Don't you think we deserve that like and subscribe? You won't regret it. In fact, there are other health-related videos in store for you. Have you heard about the 5 simple yoga exercises to increase your height in 3 days? Tune in to the description box for the link. Enjoy!